Amex offers are like hidden coupons that save you money or earn bonus points. But you have to add them to your card first. Here's how. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can find offers in your online account or the mobile app. Look for the Amex offers or offers and benefits section. You'll see a grid of available offers from retailers, travel sites, and brands. To enroll, simply click Add to Card. That's it, no code needed. Then, when you make a purchase with that merchant using that specific Amex card, the benefit, a statement credit or bonus points, will be applied automatically, usually within a few days. My crucial pro tip, add every offer you might possibly use. There's no limit to how many you can add, and they don't cost anything. Even if you're only 10% likely to shop there, add it. You never know when you'll need a hotel stay or a Dell laptop, and having the offer saved can mean instant savings. Turn your card into a personalized savings engine. What's the best Amex offer you've ever used? Let us know. For more tips on hidden card benefits, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.